All right, let's make R2 the subject of the relation here. Okay, so the first thing to do here is to find the LCM of the denominators here. So the LCM will be R1, R2, and R3. So let's multiply both sides by the LCM. So we have R1, R2, R3 times 1 over R1. So this side will be R1, R2, R3 times 2 over R2 plus the last term times the LCM. All right. So this one will cancel this. This one will cancel this. And R3 cancel R3. I will leave it R2, R3, R1, R3 plus. So this one multiplying by 2. So we have 2 R1, R3 plus R1, R2. Now let's focus on where R2 is. One here, one there. Okay, so let's group them on one side. R2, R3 minus R1, R2 equals to 2 R1, R3. So let's factorize R2 out. R2, R3 minus R1. We have 2 R1, R3. So let's divide both sides by R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. And this one will go. Okay, therefore my R2 is equals to 2 R1, R3 on R3 minus R1. Alright, subscribe for more exciting videos like this.